Alright guys, so today we're going to go through calibrating a backpack sprayer. I'm just going to go through the steps of basic calibration. So the first step, just make a test plot. I just went with a 10 by 10 square here just to make the math easier later so that I can just multiply it by 10 to get 1,000 square feet. So I just marked that off in the sand here, and I'm going to go through and basically spray this 3 times, completely like covering the entire area, trying to keep the pressure uniform, the nozzle height from the ground, that type of thing, just to keep it consistent. And what you'll see me do here is I'll spray this test plot. I'll go through it 3 times, and then what we're going to do is take all 3 of those numbers and average it, just to so that we know how long it takes us to spray 100 square feet, say, with our 10 by 10 test plot. And then for the math side of this, once we go through and have that average for our 100 square feet, we can take that time, which say it's around 40 seconds, and we can use that time to measure our output. So we'll spray the nozzle, trying to keep the same pressure that we were spraying the test plot at, into a graduated type container to see how much output we put out for that, say 100 square feet, and then multiply that by 10, and we'll have our sprayer output for a given area. Be able to, like I said, just multiply that by 10. So I was getting, say, around 4 ounces per 100 square feet. Multiply that by 10, we'll be able to understand our sprayer output, and then just multiply that by whatever amount of product we have in the tank so we can get our output of spray and of actual product. Alright guys, so you can see here where I measured the output of the sprayer for the given time for my test plot. So I just put it into a graduated cylinder a couple of times and then averaged the 3 just to get an output for the given time for 100 square feet. And then it's pretty simple, you just multiply that by 10 to give you your output for 1,000 square feet. So we know it takes us 367 seconds to do 1,000 square feet, and we know how many ounces we put out over that time. And it basically just gives us our output per 1,000 square feet. So you can pause the video here and look through the math a little bit more. It's not super complicated, and basically you just take your overall output for that area and multiply it by the amount of product you're putting in the tank to figure out how much chemical you're putting out and how much spray you're putting out.